Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can chat with bot in Crunchyroll. Well, whenever you face a problem in Crunchyroll, a live agent or even the online resources may not help us. And in those cases, we might want to chat with the bot in Crunchyroll for our assistance. And here's how you can chat with the bot in Crunchyroll. Just open one of your favorite browsers and in a new tab, just enter crunchyroll.com and press enter like so. Now in order to access the bot, we need to go to the very bottom. So this page may load multiple times before you can access the bottom section, because it might be moving some loading of the content. Once it has fully loaded, we can find help/FAQ. Let's select it. Now if you wait for some time, there is a icon at the bottom right corner like a message icon, so select it. This is where we can find the chatbot. Alright, now this is where we enter our message to chat with the chatbot. Now let's say I want to say I want help with subscribing to Crunchyroll Premium and enter. Now let's say what the bot will say. So it is saying what do you have questions about. Let's say I want to say price change. Now it will come up with appropriate answer. Beginning May 1, 2024, the price of some Crunchyroll Premium membership plans will increase. Changes will be reflected in your next billing cycle starting on June 3rd, 2024, and other information about the price change. Alright, you can just chat with the bot and it will give us more options of what we might want to know about, and you can just continue to chat until you find the required answer. Now you know how to find and chat with bot in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding chatting with bot in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.